Ready to pick up Spanish but don't know where to start? Feeling overwhelmed with too much info and looking for something easy to follow?
If that's your case, check out our amazing course, Spanish for Beginners. With Spanish for Beginners, learning a new language doesn't have to be hard or intimidating. Get the basics like how to greet friends, say goodbye, chit-chat about your friends and family, talk about your daily life, and much more. Our course is designed with a hands-on approach to help you get the most out of your Spanish learning journey. Plus, you'll have plenty of additional resources to get you started, including PDFs, quizzes, podcasts, and much more. And don't worry, the videos are completely in Spanish, but you can turn on English subtitles for an easier understanding. Take control of your own learning journey without any stress along the way. Sign up now and get ready to impress your friends and family with your new shiny language skills. Nos vemos en el curso. Chao, chao.